Okay, les prepositions de lieu, not the prepositions of place. I said that we will do this later, so now I'm doing this. See, there are four of them: a, o, and o. See, a is used only for cities, whether it is masculine or feminine or plural. All the cities. A is only used for cities. O is used for feminine countries only, ending with letter E.
E or O1.
Okay. O is used for AU. O is used for the masculine countries. There are only six. There are only six countries ending in letter E that are masculine. Otherwise, all are feminine. Okay, and rest of the countries are masculine without E. And AUX is for the plural countries like West Indies, United States. So it is all plural. For example, A Pari, A Lucknow, they all are cities. En France, en Inde, feminine countries. O Portugal, O Canada, masculine countries. O
Masculine.
Zetafani, O Zonti, plural
Plural.
countries. Okay. Then I've given you one exercise to do over here. So you will do it. It's easy. You have to place all these four only depending which is country, which is a city. And yes, this I have given you. Now this, how will you write? I've given you the name and two places I have given, in which one is a city and one is the country.
Yes.
And you have to use the word abit, abite. So if it's a word, so it will be conjugated with il. Mari, Abid, Lyon is a city.
Leo city. Yes. France is country.
France is a country. So it will be written
And
like
France,
this.
Mary. Or Mary habit. Lyon and France.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Understood this?
Okay, ma'am. Understand.
Ajay, you also understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we come back to the book.
हाँ चलो चलो मैं आता हूँ
Okay.
नहीं
Now see, first we'll do this situation. A devant B. A is in front of B. They A derrière C. D is back of C. B is
he is
on
back up.
A and C. B is between A and C. B A are côté de C. B is just next to C. Now the next one. A est sur la table. A is on the table. D est
Yes, on
sur
the
la
top,
table. Sous la table. D is under the table.
on the
C
table.
est au bord de la table.
Also,
C is at the edge of the table.
yes,
B
the
A
table.
O milieu de la table. B is in the center of the or middle of the table. Now here, A on haut.
A
A is the highest. B est en
is
bas. B
low.
is low. B est ici. C est
Is
là.
C.
And D est là-bas. Like that. Tout, okay. Tout droit means directions now. Tout droit means to go straight.
Go straight.
À gauche, turn left. À droite, turn
Challenge.
right.
Turns out.
En
Okay.
avant, walk straight. En arrière,
Uh-huh.
walk backward. See this, the direction, north,
Not
south,
also from
est, west.
west.
Okay, now let's read this. Okay, Ajay, read it.
Pour overlay formulaire to base ill-fate layer of services techniques, l'aimable the service technique, yes sur la place, Marie Curie, en face to DC Victor Hugo. Devanle Supermars entre un cinéma et la bibliothèque et côté du cinéma. Il y a une pizzeria et au milieu de la place, il y a une statue.
Okay, so she's telling him where to go. Pour avoir le formulaire de mille quarante bis, like for taking this form, il faut aller au service technique. You have to go to the technical services. L'immeuble des services techniques est sur la place Marie Curie. Like the building of these technical services on the place Marie Curie. Now where it is? En face du lycée Victor Hugo, in front of the lycée Victor Hugo, devant le supermarché, in front of the supermarket, entre le cinéma et la bibliothèque, between the cinema and library, à côté du cinéma, just next to the cinema, il y a une pizzeria, there is a pizza shop, au milieu de la place, and in between the place, il y a une statue, there is a statue. Okay, now he goes to the service technique, the technical services. Okay, Vijay, read it.
Vous allez savoir les formules. Ma'am, proceed.
The
Ma'am,
meal
here
कहन
how
the meal
me
कहन the
do meal kahando please a bureau 372
no
No.
T
croissant
Rosa
72
62.
plus
Rosa
how it ma'am
62.
croissant
so so
72.
so that's one those okay
Hmm.
trainers le ensure quand vous shooters le ensure Tunas is droid continues to Justigla cafeteria traverse la cafeteria trainers leave cooler a ghost face
Diameter
diameter le bureau
62. 362.
throw 62 Kessler Troism Pote Ardroid.
Okay, vous allez trouver le formulaire 2042 B au bureau 372. So she tells him that you will find uh, this form in the bureau number 372, in the office number 372. Bureau is office. Prenez l'ascenseur, take the lift. Quand vous sortez de l'ascenseur means when you come out of the lift. Tournez à droite, turn turn right. Continuez jusqu'à la cafeteria, turn right and continue till the cafeteria. Traversez la cafeteria, traverser means to pass. Pass the cafeteria. Prenez le couloir à gauche, take the passage towards left. Faites 20 mètres, like move 20 meters. Le bureau 372, c'est la troisième porte à droite. Then this office 372, it is the third door towards your right. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, okay. Now let me ask you something. Where is your office actually? Like you live in the office hostel only, or you live somewhere else? Both of you.
Uh, for myself, ma'am, I am living in outside of home, outside of office, ma'am.
Outside
Matlab,
office,
means ma- inside the campus. Inside the campus?
inside the campus only. And you, Ajay,
Yes.
where do you live?
Outside,
Same, he is
ma'am.
also. He is
Same.
outside just.
Okay. Okay. So I will give you one task from your place, wherever you are staying, from your
Okay,
place
ma'am.
to your work. whatever you have to cross, like you step out of your house, then what you take? You take left or you take right, then you go straight. You have to write that and send it to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Like, see,
Okay,
I'll
ma'am.
do I'll do here also. Like, see, for suppose from here, from Wheel Venue, you have to go to Chateau de Tagnac, for example.
Yes, ma'am.
So how I will write the Wheel Venue, okay, tourner à gauche, turn left.
All left,
Aller tout droit means go straight. Et
go straight,
tourner à droite, turn right. Tourner à
Right.
droite,
turn right.
traverser le pont, cross the bridge. Et c'est le château de Tagnac, tourner à gauche, turn left, then you are here. So you have to write your way also. How do you go? Just see, I just finished it in 1 or 2 lines only. The same way you
Okay,
also
ma'am.
have to do. Write it.
Yes.
Till you see,
Okay,
till you write, till you hesitate, I can't do it, you will never be able to do it. It will be wrong only, nothing else will happen.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? So try to write it. So
Yes,
I'm
sir.
doing
Okay.
this much only for today, not doing anything
okay,
else,
ma'am.
otherwise it will be too much.
Oh,
Okay?
yes, ma'am.
So I will see you all on Tuesday.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay? Au revoir.
Or, ma'am.
All right.